Hello, 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 and welcome to Unit 8, Summarize and Organize Your Data. This has been a little bit of a weird unit as far as what goes in here. We've talked about some of this stuff in previous units, and some of this that we're going to talk about in this particular lesson just doesn't kind of fit naturally in anywhere else. So we pulled it aside and we've created a separate unit from it. Here are our objectives, and as you're going to see, there's really not a lot we need to cover in this unit, so it should go by fairly quickly. First, we need to know how to insert Sparklines, then outline data, insert subtotals, and finally apply conditional formatting. So basically in Unit 8, we're going to deal with Sparklines. We're going to be able to organize data. We're going to be able to put it into kind of a hierarchy where we can collapse and expand different things, kind of like what you do in Microsoft Word. If you play with headers, you can expand and collapse your information underneath your headers, as well as deal with subtotals. And finally, we revisit conditional formatting. So again, a very brief unit.